Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox this labubu that my nan gave me. And if you're wondering where I am right now, I'm at my stepdad's house. And yeah, so let's get to unboxing. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. I can also remove the clothes. I mean, in my opinion, it kind of looks better without the clothes, to be honest. So, yeah. I'm gonna put this on my bag for school, and, yeah. I used to not like labubus, or like, I used to hate labubus, but I just realized that they're kind of okay now, and they look kind of cool. So